Elon Musk recruits team to develop OpenAI's ChatGPT rival. He was a part in the early days of OpenAI. Like he was, I don't know if he was funding or...
Wasn't he a co-founder?
You might say he was a co-founder. That's what you said. It's possible, but I just know he was involved. Musk's move is notable. In 2015, he co-founded OpenAI as a nonprofit to rival profit-minting AI tech powerhouses like Google. But Musk walked away from the startup in 2018, citing disagreements with its leadership around the time it launched a for-profit arm. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so he was involved in the early days, and maybe he's like, damn, this thing got really big really fast. And he was pissed about it because he was like making the truth GPT jokes. Maybe he didn't use that terminology, but he didn't like the fact that it seemingly, I don't know if I would use the word censored, but it kind of was. I don't know. That's kind of what was going on. It was refusing to cover certain political figures, or even in kind of innocuous ways, like write a poem about whatever. They're like, nah, we can't do it. Not for that guy. That guy doesn't deserve a poem. And he's like, hey, what the heck? And I saw a couple of his tweets. I don't remember which individuals in particular he was pissed about, but he basically got to a point much similar to how he kind of felt about Twitter at one moment, which was, open it up. I want to see, show me the files, show me what's really going on, who sees what and why. And ChatGPT is quickly getting into that same space with his popularity. People are like, starting to wonder, how are you determining what you show me and why? How are you determining what you refuse to show me and why? What are these inputs? Where are the humans? Is there an agenda? And so forth. These are normal questions. You don't have to be a conspiracy theorist to have these questions. Elon Musk has approached AI researchers in recent weeks about forming a new research lab to develop an alternative to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Tesla and Twitter chief Musk has been recruiting Igor Babushkin. Man, I think you might want to have a go at that one because it's a lot of fun.
Igor Babushkin.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. A researcher who recently left Alphabet's DeepMind AI unit, the report said. The report comes after ChatGPT, a text-based chatbot developed by OpenAI, gained widespread attention in Silicon Valley. Why do they have to recap like that at Reuters? Like, obviously we know that. We're deep in the rabbit hole already. We're on like story number 7,000 for ChatGPT, and they're rehashing still. The whole world knows about ChatGPT. I was over at the old folks' home. They're talking about ChatGPT.
Yeah. They know more than us.
Musk, who co-founded OpenAI back all the way in, oh my goodness, was it 2015? He lasted 3 years, and at the time chimed in and said it was scary good. Well, if it was scary good then, it's terrifyingly good now.
So a rival chatbot.
Everybody got to have the chatbot, man. That's what it is, 2023. It's the hottest new type of computing and social and...
But in this case, it seems like it's not going to be censored.
Well, I don't know.
Or it's going to be maybe not for profit.
Listen, you have no idea what his implementation is going to be. All you can be certain of, it's going to be very complimentary of Elon Musk.
Definitely. It's going to write poems.
That's right. It's going to be like, it's like, are you sure you don't want your poem to be, I mean, we'll write your poem about your other guy, but you sure you don't want to try Lord Elon first?
Gotta throw that in there, the Lord.
I'm kidding. I'm exaggerating. But it was like the God mode day on Twitter. And he's like, I didn't do anything. All I did was like reach the people that actually follow me. And so did you. And everyone's like, well, yeah, but also you're kind of have a few followers. And so.
Cool name, though. The Information.
Is that what it will be called? No. That's the publication that initially wrote the article.
Okay.
Yeah. I know. I saw the headline and yeah.
Oh.